good day everyone. We will be trading Quotex with this simple and easy strategy for free. We got a good trading result on our previous trades. This comes with the result of 70 to 90% if traded well. We will be trading for 5 or 10 seconds, or best to have the least minimum time duration for every trade. Okay, first, let us have to set our trading candle time period to 30 seconds. It looks like we can have a good trading chart here, trading for 30 seconds. Then, set the candle bar type into Heikin Ashi, as it is really easy to spot and navigate by trending candles by determining its colors. We can also use trading lines or Fibonacci lines, but it is optional. We only traded for quick seconds to a minute. We will be focusing on our trading indicators. We will add first our super trend indicator. You can choose your own width on each line, and let's make it thicker for more visibility. You can also choose your own color, but I will change our color line to purple. It will be more visible since our downtrend candle is color red. Okay, let us set our perimeter settings. Make our period into 12 with a multiplier of 2. Then, let us have our second trading indicator, the awesome oscillator. Let us change its long period to 23 with a short period of 7. As we can see in the chart, awesome oscillator detects price market momentum and affirms possible trends or trend reversals. Okay, let's now use our trading strategy. Take a look at here. Our trading preference and its market chart is at its maximum support level. As we can see on our awesome oscillator, it then creates a purple line on our super trend. It is the best chance to go for a quick buy here. Looks good. Let's take another trade. Take a look at here. It creates a long hammer candle with its awesome oscillator tends to go up. It is still our super trend at its purple line. Let's go trade up. Yes, got our quick profit for a quick trade. See the rest of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting strategies trading with Quotex and other binary trading platforms.
you